Hey guys, it's Mel. I just wanted to do a quick video today about a couple of loan programs that can offer great solutions for buyers who maybe aren't finding exactly what they want with resale. And maybe they're seeing houses that they like but need too much work, and maybe they're worried about what that cost would be. So one great solution for this is a renovation loan, which is a loan program where you can borrow the money to both acquire and renovate the property. So this can be used for basic cosmetic improvements, like just new paint, new flooring, new appliances, or it could go all the way to, overhauling major systems like foundation, roof, plumbing, that sort of thing. Now, these loans are available with conventional financing, FHA, VA, and even USDA. With conventional renovation loans, you have to put at least 3% down. So think about that. You can acquire and renovate a house with 3% down. So that's pretty cool. And then FHA requires 3.5% down, whereas VA and USDA are both zero down programs. So the guidelines on all these different products are a little bit different, but you have me here as a resource to walk you through that and help figure out what might be the best path. So definitely reach out if I can help on that. And then listing agents, if you have listings that would be good candidates for renovation financing, maybe just good fixer-upper, reach out to me and I can help you with marketing that property as a candidate for renovation financing, which might attract some more buyers for you.